Imagine a world where you could earn money while you sleep. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing with CpaGrip. CpaGrip primarily operates on a performance-based marketing model, known as cost per action or CPA. In simple terms, you get paid for each action a user takes on your affiliate link or ad. This could be anything from signing up for a newsletter, downloading an app, or making a purchase. It's a win-win situation. The advertiser gains a valuable customer, and you, the affiliate, receive a commission for your promotional efforts. But why choose CpaGrip over other affiliate marketing platforms? Well, it comes down to three key benefits: a wide range of products, high commissions, and reliable payment systems. Firstly, CpaGrip offers a vast array of products and services for you to promote, spanning multiple industries and niches. This means you can choose products that align with your online presence, making your promotions more authentic and effective. Secondly, when we talk about high commissions, we mean it. CpaGrip is known for offering some of the highest payouts in the industry. This means more money in your pocket for each successful action. Finally, there's nothing more frustrating than having to chase up payments. With CpaGrip, you don't have to. The platform prides itself on its reliable and flexible payment systems. Whether you prefer PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or check, you can receive your earnings in a way that suits you. Plus, with weekly payments, you won't be waiting months to see the fruits of your labor. In this video you will learn how I make thousands of dollars with this amazing affiliate marketing. But before we start, please subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Now that you understand the potential of CpaGrip, let's walk through how you can get started. Signing up on CpaGrip. Getting started with CpaGrip is as simple as creating an account. Just as you would with any other platform, you'll need to provide some basic information to get your account up and running. This includes your name, email address, and password. Remember, when choosing a password, it's always best to opt for something that's both secure and memorable. It's also worth mentioning that you'll need to verify your email address before you can fully access the site, so make sure you use an email you frequently check. Once you've filled in these essentials, you'll be asked to provide a bit more detail about yourself. CpaGrip wants to know more about its users to tailor their experience, so you'll be asked to share your country of residence, your preferred language, and your experience level in affiliate marketing. Finally, you'll be asked to agree to CpaGrip's terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read these carefully so you know exactly what you're signing up for. Once you've read and agreed to the terms, click on the Sign Up button and voila! You're all set. You'll be directed to your new dashboard, where you'll find a wealth of tools and resources designed to help you maximize your earning potential. Now, when it comes to filling out your payment information, you might be tempted to skip this step and come back to it later. However, it's best to do this right away to ensure smooth transactions down the line. Here, you'll need to specify your preferred method of receiving payments, whether that's through PayPal, wire transfer, Payoneer, check, or any of the other options CpaGrip offers. From here, you can start exploring the platform, selecting products to promote, and tracking your progress. With your account set up, you're ready to start promoting products and earning money. Promoting products on CpaGrip. Now that you're all set up on CpaGrip, let's dive into the exciting part, promoting products. The first step is to find the right products to promote. On the platform, you'll find a range of categories, from mobile apps to health and fitness products. It's crucial to choose products that resonate with your audience and align with your marketing strategy. Once you've identified the products, it's time to take advantage of the platform's tools to promote them effectively. CpaGrip offers a variety of tools, including content lockers and URL shorteners. The content locker is a fantastic tool that allows you to lock a piece of content behind a specific action, like filling out a survey or downloading an app. Once the action is completed, the user gains access to the content. This tool can be incredibly effective in driving conversions and earning you commissions. The URL shortener, on the other hand, is a handy tool for social media promotion. It allows you to shorten your affiliate link, making it more manageable and easier to share across various platforms. Now, let's talk about where to advertise your affiliate products. There are several platforms to consider, from blogs and websites to social media platforms and email newsletters. It's important to be strategic about where you choose to advertise. Consider where your target audience hangs out online and focus your efforts there. For example, if your audience is young and tech-savvy, Instagram might be a good place to start. If you're promoting business products, LinkedIn could be a better fit. Remember, promoting products is not just about plastering links everywhere. It's about creating engaging content that provides value to your audience and gently guides them towards the product you're promoting. Once you've started promoting, the next step is to watch your commissions roll in. With the right products, the right tools, and the right platforms, you'll be well on your way to unlocking your earning potential on CpaGrip. Receiving payments on CpaGrip. CpaGrip offers a straightforward and reliable payment system. Let's delve into the details of how this process works, shall we? CpaGrip operates on a performance-based commission system. This means that you get rewarded for the actions your traffic takes. Whether it's filling out a form, signing up for an offer, or completing a sale, you earn a commission. It's an incredibly rewarding system, as the more conversions you drive, the higher your earnings. Now, you might be wondering, when do I get paid for my efforts? CpaGrip is known for its punctual payments. They offer weekly and monthly payment schedules. If you opt for a weekly schedule, you'll receive your earnings every Monday. On the other hand, if you choose a monthly payment schedule, your payments will be sent out on the first day of each month. It's a flexible system designed to suit your cash flow needs. Let's talk about the different payment methods available. CpaGrip offers a variety of ways to receive your hard-earned money. You can choose between PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, and even check. Each of these options has its own set of minimum payout amounts. For PayPal and Payoneer, the minimum payout is $50. For wire transfer, it's $500. And if you choose to receive your payment via check, the minimum payout is $100. So, you can choose the payment method that best fits your needs and preferences. Additionally, it's worth noting that CpaGrip has a reputation for making payments on time, every time. You can rest assured that your earnings will be in your account, as promised, without any delays or hitches. In a nutshell, CpaGrip's payment system is designed to make your life easier. It offers flexibility and reliability, ensuring that you get paid for your hard work in the most convenient way possible. With CpaGrip, receiving your hard-earned money is as easy as a few clicks. Key takeaways and conclusion. Let's recap the journey we've taken today on CpaGrip. Together, we've navigated the potential of this platform and how it can be a powerful tool in your money-making arsenal. We've seen how CpaGrip opens up a world of opportunity, providing a hub for affiliate marketers to unlock their earning potential. Remember, the first step in this journey is signing up. We've walked through the process, showing you how straightforward and streamlined it is. All you need is a few moments and some basic information, and you're in, ready to start exploring the platform and your earning potential. Once you're signed up and logged in, the real fun begins, promoting products. CpaGrip offers an array of products to promote, each with its own unique appeal. The key is to find the products that resonate with your audience, that speak to their needs and interests. Once you've found those products, it's all about leveraging the platform's tools to effectively promote them. We've also discussed the importance of advertising in the right places. It's not just about promoting products, it's about promoting them where they'll be seen by the right people. This could be on your own website, on social media, or through other advertising channels. The key is to get your products in front of the people who are most likely to be interested in them. And of course, we've covered the all-important topic of receiving payments. CpaGrip offers a simple and secure payment system, allowing you to receive your commissions quickly and easily. It's the satisfying conclusion to your efforts, seeing the tangible results of your hard work. In conclusion, CpaGrip offers a comprehensive, user-friendly platform for affiliate marketers. It's about more than just making money, it's about growing your skills, expanding your network, and unlocking your potential. With these steps, you're well on your way to making money with CpaGrip. Start your journey today and unlock your earning potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Happy earning!